Hello everybody and welcome back to another edition of Canadian Auto. Today we're heading over to see our friends at Winnipeg HID. They're going to be hooking us up with some pretty awesome stuff. Make sure to check down in the description for their website, Instagram, and Facebook. Without further ado, let's head over there. Well, here we are guys, Winnipeg HID. Why don't we head on in, pick up what we have to pick up, show you what we're getting. You know, with COVID we do have to wear masks, especially considering it's right on the door. Anyways, let's head on in. Hey! Alright, so now that we're back home, figured we'll go through the box, open everything up, show you guys what we all got. So, that'll be the first thing. As you can see, I got my box full. Alright, so first we got our, I just want to make sure I'm reading it right here. I got the Profile Performance Pixel Daytime Running Light RGB board. Got our trusty dusty little knife here. Try not to wreck it too much. Come on. And in good Canadian fashion, now that you know it's cold in winter, I am rocking the toque. Go Jets! Alright, show me the plastic. Open up our first box here. So we got a total of 3 boxes. So we have our drivers that basically control the power. And then we have the actual boards themselves. Very nice. And then I'll cut to like a close-up of what they all look like. Just gonna open it up here. Wow, these are very nice. Oh man, that is so nice. You can see they put their logos and everything on the back. Wow, this is, that's all I can say. Wow, these are very nice. Alright, so let's put this up to the side. I got tape on my finger. I'll open up one of these drivers. Alright, so this is our input-output for our Pixel board. Everything to connect, all our plugins, everything like that. Let's move on to the next thing. So next up, let's see here. We have the Morimoto XBT color control. So what this guy here, if I can open it. So what this guy here is basically a controller that will pair to your phone and let you control all the colors. So you have all your connections, all your power. Very nice module, carbon fiber, mounting brackets, extra leads if you need them. Very, very nice. This is all very nice, yeah. Back. Next up, let's not do that yet. So these had to be made to order. As some of you know, the 2015 GMCs have the amber turn signal reflectors. This guy here is clear. I can't remember the name of the company that made these, but they are very, very well made, very proper. They don't feel flimsy, they don't feel brittle. So these will go in very nice. Still not sure exactly how I'm going to do everything yet, what I'm going to color match, what I'm going to paint black. I got these clear because I figured if I want I can still smoke them. It's kind of hard to do the opposite. So roll these back up, move on to the next thing. have a pair of the mini D2S 5.0 projectors. Comes with your very, very tiny installation instructions, which I can actually just go online and download, which is nice. Let's pull this guy out. Let's pull it out. Everything, as you can tell, is packed very nicely. So here we have all our grommets, wire connectors, and a big projector. Oh man, that is huge! Wow! First time I'm seeing this too, so your reaction will be probably not the same as mine, but we're seeing this for the first time as well. And then because of these projectors, we have to get mounting brackets. Basically adapters to make sure they fit into the housing. So let's put this back off to the side. And then to power up our headlights, we have a pair of 35 watt HID ballasts. These guys are the real deal. They a lot hefty. Got ground cable and power connectors. This goes to your headlights. Same thing in the other box, right? We need one per side. So put you back in the box. It's always a hard thing. You know, I'm doing these unboxings, trying to fit everything back in the box. No bueno. Doesn't work, but you get the point. So to go with our, let's cut this here. To go with our 35 watt ballasts, we got a pair of Morimoto, obviously the XP bulbs to go with the projector, and 6000K temperature to give it kind of like a true white look, kind of like what LEDs or LED light bar would give off. So it does come in the protective case. Here's all your plugins, your grommets, your connectors. Take this off to show you guys if I can figure it out. Oh, I'm stupid. They separate. So this here is your HID bulb. Very nice, very shiny. Like I've been saying, I think I should probably keep a counter how many times I'm saying very nice, very shiny. Seal that back up. Carefully put it back in the box. Come on. Come on. There we go. Let's see, we're almost at the end here. So the one thing that didn't show up is switchback turn signals. So basically when you're driving it's white, but on your turn signal it goes amber. So basically we also have to get resistors to power them to make sure they don't hyper flash. So these are just some 50 watt resistors from Diode Dynamics. And then to seal everything back up, we have to get our rubber glue to go back and seal everything back up. So without this, you're kind of stuck unless you want to use like epoxy or resin, which I don't recommend. The only things we do have left to get are paint, as we are color matching it, and oven cleaner, which actually helps strip off the chrome to help you paint. And what else? And we also need some epoxy resin to make sure our boards can actually stay in our headlights. So that was basically everything for our unboxing. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Catch you at the store when we go pick up some of the stuff. Won't get the paint in this episode as it's still on order. It should be here in the next couple days, I hope. Anyways, if you don't hear back from me, thanks for watching. Take care for now.